I'll do that. You know what I reckon? I like people with brown eyes more because it's more like chill and it's easy to look at them, and brown eyes are more like comforting and relaxing. But blue eyes and light eyes are like freaks me out. I don't know why, I just can't stand people with like really bright eyes because it's like hard to look at them and you're like, looks really like intense and psycho, I think. But usually I use this like everywhere on my face. This. Color Amber, it's Fenty Beauty, like this. I use it on my lips, I use it on my whole like fucking face. I think it's the best shit ever. I put it like down my nose here and on top so my nose looks more small. Not small, but like pointy, because it's not really pointy, but I wish it was. It's more like a potato, a little potato. But then one day I was like, how would I look like with no eyebrows? And then I just drew them like 2 lines and I was like, holy shit, it looks kind of cool. And I know that all the girls buy the same lip liner, so it's called Cappuccino by Rimmel London. That's the best lip liner of all time, okay? I feel like everyone look better with lip liner, don't you think? Or maybe I just like the 90s look, you know what I mean?